Tracker to measure activity was one of last year's most popular presents. But how about a pedometer for cows? Well, they've been attached to stock at a Welsh farming college to see if fitter cows produce fitter calves. Quite possibly the latest innovation in Welsh agriculture, as Roger Pinney reports.
The latest must-have for the high-fashion heifer. The cows may not know it, but this is actually high-tech stuff, which could help make Welsh agriculture more competitive. At Coleg Meirion Dwyfor's Gwartheg campus, they want to compare cows which spend the winter indoors to those which stay outside.
It's predominantly a college farm, so we are a training centre for the new farmers of the future.
Rodri Owen is the farm manager at Gwartheg.
Obviously the ones outside will be moving maybe 300-400 metres a day. The ones housed indoors traditionally will only move maybe 10-20 metres a day. And what that impact will have on the calving process. So what we're looking at basically is to cut back on costs by having them out over winter.
So, are outdoor cows fitter, and will they produce fitter calves? A potentially money-saving question.
We don't always think of farms as centres of innovation, places which grasp at fresh ideas, but in truth, agriculture has always had to change to adapt to new conditions.
And all sorts of technology is coming online. At Harper Adams University, they're researching the use of drones in farm settings.
We're going to be using them to do particular work for us, maybe like spraying, the area that we're researching here at Harper Adams, and they're going to be used for delivering parcels and other certain things within the agriculture environment.
This is something an organisation called Arloesi Gwynedd Wledig, which aims to bring innovation to the countryside, is keen to promote. It's also backing the cow pedometer research.
We don't usually associate digital technology with the agricultural world, but obviously the digital technology affects all our lives at the moment and will do much more in the future.
High-tech research then to cut the costs of production. In that, farming is no different to any other industry.